The thing I most often get is that people come up to me and say that a friend or a family member has passed from lung cancer or has lung cancer. So I think a lot of people are just happy that we're spreading the word and giving people a voice. It's a great opportunity to let people know about all the initiatives that we have at the University of Calgary and to promote the gala event, which is held yearly. The Mardi Gras Gala supports all of our lung cancer research initiatives, as well as the masking theme of cancer, because what we found out is that cancer cells actually wear a little mask, and that helps them to evade the immune system. So the immune system doesn't know where they are. Through our research, we work to unmask those cancer cells so that treatments can kill them. We use our real-world data to see how treatments are working right now and to help assess trends of what might work in the future.